Stay tuned and keep watching if you want to get from this to this.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you to everyone who showed love and support on my very first video. And this is going to be my second one, and this is going to be on eyebrow tutorial. So let's get it! Alright, so what you want to do is get any spoolie that you have at home. I like to use my Anastasia spoolie, and we're just going to brush our eyebrows in an upward motion, or however you prefer your eyebrows to look like. But then we're gonna go ahead and twist those unwanted hair away. Still at it, still going. Okay, any day now. Come on now. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and grab our favorite eyebrow product. Mine is the Anastasia pomade in the shade chocolate. We're just gonna go ahead and lightly shade the inner corner of our eyebrows and work our way toward the end. Alright, and always light strokes in the inner corner of your eyebrows, because you don't want fake eyebrows, you want natural looking eyebrows. What you want to do is just brush those upper hair down just so you can see the outline of your brows, and then go ahead and shade it in with your pomade once again and make it as dark or as light as you want. As you can see, I'm very focused on the inner corner just because I want it to look natural and not too heavy or too dark. I just want to have that natural finished look. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to the next brow, and we're just gonna do the same thing as what we did to the left brow. Or is it my right brow? Well, it don't matter as long as we don't have a unibrow. But yeah.
Guys, let's talk about that forehead. Why is it so shiny? See, that's what I hate. I have such an oily skin, and if any of y'all have tips and tricks of how to get rid of your oily skin, please let your girl know.
Alright, so I'm just doing a little bit of last minute touch up on both brows before we move on to the next step. So right now I'm just using the Urban Decay brow blade, and this is a pen kind of thing. I like to use this just to create the illusion of having fuller brows, and all I have to do is literally just draw some lines on my, or like fake hairs on my face, just until I get the desire I want on my eyebrows and the way I want them. Alright, there you have it, but I'm not technically done. This next step is to conceal your brows, and I like to use, well, I pretty much use whatever, but today I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color caramel, just to clean up my brows. Yep, the same brush from the first video, because you know your girl's still broke. but now I'm just gonna clean it up with a brush and let it fade away till I don't look like a ghost. Alright, so now I'm just using the Beauty Blender because apparently the cheap brush didn't work with my Matchstick concealer. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you again for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that notification button for upcoming videos. And I hope you guys like this video and this tutorial. And see you all in my next video.